back to my channel. This is Natasha, or you can call me Panda, whichever one you like. So I wanted to do a makeup look inspired by Pride and in support of the LGBTQ community. So here it is. To start with, I already applied moisturizer and an orange corrector. I'm going in with my foundation as usual, and this one is Maybelline Fit Me in 330 Toffee Caramel. Next, for concealer, I'm using these two shades from LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shades Fawn and Toffee. As you can see, I use the same sponge to blend in my foundation, my concealer, and I also use it to set my face with powders, as you can see right here. Next, I'm just going to bronze up my face a little bit. I'm also going to apply a little lip balm, and I'm going to apply some blush as well. And this blush is from Blue Heavens. It's in the shade 503. I absolutely love it. I'm going to brush out my eyebrows. I'm going to fill in my brows with the Freedom Brow Duo in the shade Ebony. For highlight, I'm using this amazing eyeshadow that I really like. It's like almost rose gold and it looks so good on me. So now I'm going to move on to my eyes, which is like my main focus in this video. I'm going to take this concealer from LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Porcelain. I use this because I think the colors will look much brighter on this concealer. As you can see, I'm going in with red first. Then I'm going to take a little orange on the center. On the outer corner, I'm just going to add a little yellow. For this eye, green, light blue. Then I'm going to add indigo and violet at the end. Added a little black just in the crease so that the colors would pop even more. Take a little bit concealer at the outer corners and just sharpen the edges because I'm not going to apply eyeliner for this particular look. I'm going to drag the same black shade on my lower lash line. Also applying a little bit of the same highlight as earlier. And also under my brows, basically on my brow bone. Now for the fun part, I'm going to add these tiny hearts all over, just creating like a mask. I'm going to dip into all of the colors, starting with red. Now I'm just going to take a little of the orange and do the same thing, basically creating tiny little hearts, and they look so cute. I really like this. I'm just going to go randomly around. It's not in a particular order. I wasn't planning this at all. I was just going with it, seeing how it looked, how I liked it. I'm done with the yellow, green as well, and now I'm going in with the light blue. And then I'm going to take the indigo. Isn't indigo just like dark blue? I don't know. And lastly, I'm going to add violet all around. Oh my god, this looks amazing. I think it looks super cute. I wanted to add a little Baba Boom to this look, so I had to add lashes. For my lips, I kept it super nude. And that is it, you guys. This is the final look. I absolutely loved it. It's so cute. Thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys.